SPY. Anybody see a double top M type thing going on right here? So I'm talking right in this area. So looking at it, what do we see happening? I see a return to this area right here. 576, trying to draw out this bull flag right here. This triangle, which it seems to be staying with. That's gonna last us out till March, maybe. We'll see what it continues doing. I could be wrong, but either way, the whole point of this flag is this upward movement from right here to here. If it does play out, is how much it's going to increase by. So I drew that, if I can move it, right here. This yellow portion is the increase, which means we'll be going to maybe 6. So I drew this area right here. Was it 631, 630, something like that? So what does it all mean? Looking at the fact that even on RSI right here, we haven't even begun to come down, really. And they say February is going to be whatever is usually a somewhat slow month. So if it's going to be slow through the rest of February, maybe we'll see a touch back to the 580, 570 area. Crazy if it comes even down to this area, 564. But I don't care, 564 or 575, knowing Trump and his tariffs and all this negative talk. If it comes down there, I will be buying this for the way distant future for hopefully cheap, 630. And if you don't want to buy the 630 because that's too high, then cool. When it drops down, just buy the previous high level, which would be 610. So buy that so that when it comes from here at 575-ish or whatever, it's 576, makes its way up to 610 on its way to 630, you're already making money. So buy the 610 when we hit 576. That's just my thoughts. All right, I also see right here, we've been performing in this blue channel. You can see right all in here. It's performing in the blue channel, hitting the highs, lows, high, low, not so much the high, low, then broke out of it, came back up to test the low, or test the channel, should I say, and what it is now is being rejected off of it. So it already came out of it and then came and to test it. It's not going back into it, it's going down. So I think we're going to begin to form a new blue channel. Well, I'm calling it a blue channel because I make it blue. And you can see that same pattern throughout the whole SPY. Let's see if I can show you. Even right here. Same thing happens. Low, high, low, comes out of it, tests the blue channel that it's in, gets rejected, now it has to go down, starts this new blue channel. That's all SPY does. That's all it does. And as you see, the blue channel now is falling out of that, and now we're gonna have another probably major drop, as we saw right here. So this is going to be the high, maybe. We'll see how it goes. This will be the high of the new blue channel. And that means we're gonna dip lower right now and then start going high again and come up. We'll see. All right, so even with this seeming double top, that should mean, if it is, we have a downward travel path to 577. So it should pass this area if it's truly a double top and come down to right here. 568, 565 area, and then take off. So it can go either way, of course, duh. But I do see maybe a possible touch 576. If it does, I'm buying up. But for now, it's in this pattern, this flag. So pin it. So let's see what it does.